perform an inverted to inverted roll. Let's watch as he shows how this airplane can really be slapped around. He now pulls the throttles back into idle, pushes the nose over, and he's doing 70 knots, under 100 miles an hour as he floats over the top. Coming down approximately 80 degrees, nose low, the airplane begins to accelerate, and we'll watch as he exits to the left. CF-18A Hornet. This airplane with full aileron deflection can roll at a rate approaching 230 degrees per second. Coming by from the left side at 400 miles per hour with full stick deflection, 3 high-rate aileron rolls. Devices on the wings are controlled by a computer, so he just selects the input he wants with the stick, and the computers give him what he really wants. Now, we've talked to you about how this airplane can be smashed around, and you can really slam the stick around, and the computers answer the call. Watch as we're going to fly a square loop. That is, a loop but with corners on it and straight sides. Watch him yank the stick back and put this first corner in while in leveled out. It's often the ability to outmaneuver your opponent that determines the victor in air combat. To now demonstrate is the tight turning capability of the CF-18A Hornet. From the left, a turning radius of only 1/4 mile, pulling 6.5 times the force. is an airplane that is completely predictable at any speed or any attitude. CF-18s get asked, they say, how fast does the airplane go? But nobody ever asks them, how slow does it go? I don't know how many pilots we have out here today, but you know what it feels like when the airplane is really slowed up and it's just about got enough lift to make it go? You can actually feel it pulling out from underneath you. It starts to buffet a little bit. We're going to show you how slowly this airplane flies. The first time I saw this done, I actually had the sensation of buffeting and the airplane being about to fall out of the sky. This is what they call a high AOA, or high angle of attack pass, with the nose way up. Look at how slow this airplane is flying, as clean as it can fly this slowly. The gear is up. We can't see all the lifting devices that are out, but look how slowly Captain Lancaster is flying this airplane. If you're a pilot, you can hardly believe your eyes. We've seen how slow it goes. Now we can watch some fast. Want to see some fast? All right. From the left side, at about 450 miles an hour, Captain Lancaster rolls the airplane into a 90-degree angle effect and holds the nose down the runway. This is a ballistic pass in which the airplane traces the path of a bullet across the sky in knife-edge flight. And now, it's time for Wowie. We got the airspace up. What did he get it up to? 24,000 feet? 23,000 feet. And he's going to use every inch of it. Going to come back to the right side and do what these guys love to do to show you what the airplane will do. It's called a vertical departure. That is, he comes by and then looks for the sky. Let's watch Captain Rich Lancaster in his vertical departure in the CF-18A. Everyone, thank you very much. A beautiful touchdown. Look at that, and roll out. Well, we got 9 beautiful airplanes in the air right now. Captain Lancaster taxiing back. He's going over here to his area where all the trucks are parked and the flashing lights. And at this point, Major Dan Dempsey, the leader of the Snowbirds from Edmonton, is up there saying, well, I've had enough fun flying around east of the airport. We'd like to come in and do our thing. In just a moment, the next voice you hear will be the narrator for the Canadian Snowbirds from Regina, Saskatchewan, Captain Kevin Kokotalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 1989 edition of your Canadian Armed Forces Snowbirds Formation Demonstration Team.